video will walk you through the steps to install a new residential wall hydrant to your current plumbing system. Depending on your pipe connection, be sure you have the following tools for the job. Turn off the main water supply. Drill a 1-inch hole at the desired hydrant location on your exterior wall. Insert the wall hydrant through the hole until it is flush with the wall. A 4-degree pitch is built into the flange to allow for proper drainage, which prevents freezing pipes in the winter. Always detach hoses and other accessories before winter. This hydrant has an optional connection of either a 1/2-inch thread or 1/2-inch solder. If soldering is your choice, remove the stem before heating. Clean the pipe and apply flux before inserting the supply line. Connect the valve to the water supply on the inside of the house. When threading, hand tighten and then secure with a wrench until the alignment mark is facing down. If soldering, align properly before heating. To test for leaks, pressurize the system by connecting a closed-end hose and turn the water on. Check the interior connection. Check the packing nut for leaks and tighten if necessary. Secure the hydrant to your house. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your new PRIER wall hydrant. For additional installation instructions and other resources, visit PRIER.com.